By far, the most important skill set anyone can have in wholesaling is finding motivated sellers and marketing. What I want to do is show you exactly how to find motivated sellers and gain the skill set so you can make a ton of money wholesaling real estate.
And so what I do is I reach out to these people who want to sell for a discount. Now, a discount, right? So if the house is worth, if the value, and guys, again, what is value? Value is what someone else will pay for it, okay? So a lot of people talk about, sentimental value. My house is worth this much because I grew up and the house has sentimental value. Value is what someone else is willing to pay for. That's what value is. Now the value is 150. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach out to this person who wants to sell for a discount. Why? They want speed and convenience. Now I will tell you this. If you look at a pie chart, okay, I can do it right here. If you look at a pie chart of people who want to sell, people who want to sell their house, on average, in America, I would probably tell you that if you look at 100% of homeowners in your city, I would say on average about 2% of them want to sell right now. They want to sell their house, maybe even 1%. So think about that. 2% of everyone that owns a house wants to sell. So that means if you called 100 homeowners, only 2% say they're wanting to sell. Okay, well, of that 2%, how many of those people want to sell for a discount? Meaning they don't want to go with the realtor and get the most. I just want to get rid of this thing. I would probably gander that about 10% of those people, 10% of them will want a discount just to get rid of it. So really, it's 0.2% of all homeowners we go after. Now, good thing for you, there's over 170 million homeowners. So let's do some quick math. But quick math of 0.01 times 0.2 times 170 million homes. That's roughly 300, at any given rate, there's 340,000 people that want to sell their house for a discount. Massive opportunity for you. So what we got to understand here is this might seem like a small little buyer pool. What we need to do is we need to make a targeted data set of individuals who are more likely to sell their house for a discount. So if only 0.2% of people want to sell for a discount, how can I get a list where 5% want to sell for a discount? That means I call 100 people, 5 of them say, sure, I want to get rid of it, and I just want to get a nice little offer. Would you guys want that? That's what we do. So what we do in wholesaling is we get a data set, which I'll show you, I guess, I mean, we're gonna break it all down. I'm gonna break it all down here. But about 5% is where I want to be at, 2% for like a bigger list. But you can get a targeted list of people who want to actually sell for a discount. So if I just pulled a list of people that own houses, I would not enjoy my life. So what I do is I usually reach out to people. I call them, text them. There's a lot of ways we can do it. And guys, you don't need any cash or money for this. But what we do is we reach out to these people and we see which one of these ones want to sell for a discount. Now, I might have to make 100 calls. And usually one out of 100 pick up and say, yes, I want to sell for a discount. Awesome. He says he wants to sell, he wants to get rid of it, he has a change of job, he's got to move out of state, blah, 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 he wants to get rid of it. So the house is worth about 150. I'm going to offer him, I know that sounds crazy, I'm going to offer him just 90K to buy his house. He's going to say, no, screw you, I'll take 110.